Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to get the same color as the image. So today I'll be showing how to get the same color in the image in Pixlr. So as you can see, for example, you wanted this image, this color bluish violet image, and you don't know how to get it. Well, you can just try to manually try to get it here, the color here, and try it to manually and try and hope you got the right color, then test it out. No, you didn't get the right color. So, how to get it? The easiest way to do it is by clicking right here, picker. Once you're at picker, click on that and then choose the color. Choose the color of the image that you wanted. For example, right here, I wanted this color, this bluish violet color. I'll just click on that, and there you go. As you can see, my color right here, it changed to that. And I'll just click on this, the fill, and we're gonna try it on our background, change it to that color. How about let's try the violet one? Just click on the picker again and click on the violet area. As you can see, it changes here. Then click on fill and click on the background. There you go. So you can do that multiple times if you want. Just click on the black and click on there. There we go. That's how you do it. So that's how you get the color in the image that you wanted in Pixlr instead of adjusting it right here. So just click on the picker and choose which color you want. Mix it with a little bit violet and blue. There. Then click here, then fill. Or you can use the colors if you want. Use the color. There you go. So whatever you want, just do it. Maybe you can choose a pen or anything. So yeah, so that's how you do it. That's how you copy the image of the color that you wanted. And I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.